you should know. I got niggas tryna end me off.
The remix.
King original. It's back.
On that beat.
Girl, you should know that I can love you.
Guess who?
DJ. Oh man. Yeah, baby.
Girl, you should know that I can love you. Girl, you should know that I can love you. No need to get done at work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me off. Yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're